Baba Boy.
This is my little brother.
Baba Boy.
This is Mum.
Baba Boy.
And this is Daddy.
Baba Boy. Baba Boy.
Pig. Pedro's cough.
It is a school day. Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson.
Miss Polly had a doll.
Sorry, Madam Gazelle.
Oh dear, Pedro has a cough.
Shut up!
Dr. Brown Bear.
Dr. Brown Bear speaking.
Hello, doctor. This is Madame Gazelle. A child is ill.
Shut up! Straight away.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
The problem.
I've got a cough.
I see. Is it a tickly cough or a chesty cough?
I don't know, but it goes like this.
And when did you get this cough?
When Madam Gazelle started singing.
It's nothing serious, but Pedro's cough may... The fuck?
What do you mean?
The fuck?
Thing?
When one person has a cough, sometimes other people get that cough too.
Do I need medicine?
Just a little spoonful. I'm afraid it doesn't taste very nice.
It tastes like an old shoe full of jam.
Shut up! Goodbye. Die. As I thought, Pedro's cough is... The fuck?
Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have caught Pedro's cough.
Open wide.
It tastes of carpet-flavoured yoghurt. It tastes of...
The fuck? Well done for taking your medicine so well.
Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear?
No, Peppa, I'm never ill. I eat an apple a day. Goodbye. Die.
It is home time and the children's parents are here to pick them up.
Mummy, Daddy, I've got a cough. Dr. Brown Bear came and looked after us. He gave us horrible medicine. Madam Gazelle, can you...
Shut up!
Of course, Peppa. Miss Polly had a doll.
Baba Boy.
Dear, all the grown-ups have caught Pedro's cough.
Doctor
Baba Boy.
speaking.
This is Peppa Pig. All the grown-ups are ill.
Not to worry, Peppa. I'm on my...
I'm fast as fuck.
Hello, everyone. Caught Pedro's cough? Well, stand in line and open wide.
It tastes like custard and old socks.
Thank you for looking after us, Dr. Brown Bear. Who looks after you when you're ill?
Shut up! I'm never... The fuck?
Dear, Dr. Brown Bear
The fuck?
cough.
Not to worry. Goodbye. Shut up!
Dr. Brown Bear. He's ill and there's no one to look after him.
Oh.
Who can that be?
Hello. We've come to look after you. Here's some fruit. And some cushions. And here is your medicine.
Tastes like jammy yogurt-flavoured custard socks.
And here's a song to make you feel better.
The fuck? The fuck? The fuck?
Kobe.
Die.
Baba Boy.